Noma ungalamba kangakanani, isinqumo ozosithatha ukuthi kube ilona thikithi lakho out of i-poverty, usicwaningisise. Ungaqhutshwa indlala, uluthwe nayimali. Kukaningi sibuka lezi zinto on different social media platform abantu bezi-advertise-a. Kodwa bungakanani ubungozi bazo. Ezinye zi-right, ezinye azikho right. Kodwa nawe-ke muntu o-desperate ofuna lolo toho, ake uzenzele your own research. Zenzele your own research ukuze uthathe izinqumo eziphusile.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona isihambela lekude phezulu. Do join.
Sanibonani guys, a quick one. Kade ngiloke ngiyibona lento ku-social media, siyabona kunosisi abaningi it's booming nje le trend yokuthi abantu ba-recruit abantu ukuthi kuyiwa phesheya, abanye baya ko-Saudi Arabia, abanye baya ko-China, abanye baya kephi. Maningi ama-country abawabalayo bathi hhayi uzosebenza emkhumbini, hhayi uzosebenza as-a-waiter, hhayi uzosebenza ugada abantu abadala. Ziningi iy'nhlobo zemisebenzi abazibalayo. Ngenxa-ke yokuthi-ke indlala isigabhile, kulula ukuthi uzithole usunawe ukuleli qembu interested ukwazi ukuthi kuyiwaphi, kuhanjwa kanjani, kukhishwa malini without even doing a proper research. Ngiyanicela ukuthi nenze a proper research before uzithola uphenduka isisulu sento ongayilindelanga usukwelinye ilizwe engekho nomuntu ongasakusiza. Lesi story engizonixoxela sona, it's something I heard from one of the sisters back in 2012 who was from Kenya. I was fortunate enough back in my days ukuthi ngathola ithuba lokufunda in an institution of higher learning nabantu ababeqhamuka emazweni angaphezulu kuka-80 emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Ngangenza my postgraduate, I was doing my masters eHolland. So kwakuye kwenzeke ukuthi from time to time, like especially on Fridays, we were having what we called fire chats. Ama-fire chats sasixoxa nje ngayo yonke into, sikhuluma ngey'tori back at home, cultural shocks, sibaxoxela abantu ukuthi back in South Africa, we've got this culture, we've got 11 languages, kunesuku oluspecial, amantombazane who are virgins aya emhlangweni, kube yishock loko, abanye bayanyanywe abelungu abelungu abaningi. Ney'nhlobonhlobo zabantu abaningi bakwamanye amazwe abawathanda amabele bawanyanya and abanye bawahlonipha bawafihla, abanye babe ne-shock. Nathi sibe ne-shock mabesixoxela ezabo izinto. And kwakuye kwenzeka uthole ukuthi some of the people, they will tell izitori ezi-serious, ezi-real, ezenzakalile ngempela ey'mpilweni zabo. Uthole ukuthi up to an extent whereby uthole ukuthi the guy who was heading or leading those fire chats kufanele ukuthi mhlampe azabathathe abase for counseling. I remember ukuthi le genge le yabona labantu laba bathanda kakhulu ukutravela ko-Kenya, ko-Kenya, ko-Tanzania, bani. Those people bayakuthanda ukutravela. Kulawa mazwe, that is what I've picked up. Kulawa mazwe, you have not made it until you have traveled. Ngisho kungathiwa utravelela ukuyothanyela umgwaqo. Ngisho kungathiwa uthanyelela ukuyophipha izinja, as long you have traveled nje, it's the only way they survive, because amazwe amaningi ayahlupheka to an extent ukuthi abantu babo abahlala kona bakwazi ukubekezelela ukuhlupheka abakufeysayo emazweni abo. So lesi story-ke, it's inspired, lento ngiyikhunjuzwa ilento engiloke ngiyibona ibhuma nje ku-TikTok, abantu beloke be-recruit abantu ukuthi kuyiwa emazweni angaphandle. Ngiyacela uqaphele uma ufuna ukulandela labantu abathi wozani kiwa endaweni ewukuthi kunomsebenzi ngeke uhlupheke, ake uqale nawe uzenzele your own research, ube ne-sure ukuthi lento ayishoyo ikhona ngempela. Lo sisi-ke asixoxele lesi story, lo mntana lo wase-Kenya. So uthi-ke ekhaya kubo kwakuhlushekwa. She was very, very smart. I remember she used to be the top in our class most of the time. She was very, very smart, but uma ngabe-ke esho ukuthi ekhaya kubo bebehlupheka such a way that ukuthi nje kwakuthi wayeyoke aze azibone enza efunda e-university, it was a dream come true kuyena because nje kwakunzima ngempela. Uyasixoxela ukuthi at some point wake wazama ngisho uku-travel abroad. There was a lady who was obvious ukuthi wangakubo, owabatshela ukuthi eSaudi Arabia kunemsebenzi. You can go there and work as a maid, you can go there and work as a caregiver, you can go there. So eSaudi Arabia kunemali. And sonke siyazi bonke abantu mos bafuna ukuya kulamazwe mos go Dubai, Saudi Arabia. Yabona those countries who are known ukuthi are rich, are well to do, and uyaphileka mangabe uhambile waya kubona. Hayi ayahlanganise-ke nalo sisi-ke bahlanganise-ke, amnikeze ama-documents akhe, amnikeze yonke into, amhlanganisele ngisho imali yokuflya ngoba phela ngithi akanayo imali yokuflya. He is just finished ilokhunjana isikole, akakwazi ukuqhubeka nesikole, uthi bamthathe bahambe naye-ke azithole-ke eseke Dubai. Makafika eDubai uthi ahambe-ke ayosebenzela ifamily yokuqala. Mangabe esho-ke uthi life yase-Dubai uma uhlupheka eDubai uba yirabishi, uyayazi irabishi, uba u-zero. Kangangokuthi if ube nebhadi wathola umqashi okhohlakele ngempela, banayo i-right yokukuncisha ukudla, bakubalela ukuthi udla kangakhi ngosuku or udla ini kanje. Yabona nje uthi ba-cruel, baney'nhliziyo ezibukhuni, bakhohlakele. Mabethanda bangakufaka ngisho, bangakuhlalisa ngisho erumini enukayo engcolile. Wayesho nje into uthi nje abaqashi bakhona nje ba-cruel in a way. So uthi-ke awuthole-ke lo msebenzi-ke, it was a young couple le ayizobe i-housekeeper khona-ke. Uthi ahlale-ke nale young couple-ke, uthi hhayi kube right lapho asebenze, but unfortunately this young couple ayisebenzela were not originally from Dubai. So they had baba abantu abahamba ngomsebenzi isikhathi esiningi, so whenever they leave babehamba bonke, kwakufuduka yonke into, kwakati kwagundane la khona nakwagogoroshe la khona. So uthi lapho-ke wahlala only 3 months, ehleli kahle-ke lapho ku-right. Bathi hhayi mengabe sebehamba-ke angakhathazeki, kusho ukuthi bane-system ukuthi uma ngabe kade kuyi-maid yakamakhelwane, wena kamakhelwane soyahamba ngoba impilo ejwayelekile nje bona ukuthi uku-move around kuyinto ejwayelekile, especially for abantu abanemisebenzi e-high profile and for abantu abanemisebenzi, for abantu abanemali. Kulula ukuvele bahambe nje, i-life yakhona-ke nje there. So uthi bahamba kanjalo-ke, yena mekafika kwasekusele only 3 months ukuthi bahambe basuke la babekhona beya kwenye indawo. So abangakwazi ukuthi bahambe naye ngoba i-paperwork yayizoba daunting because babeya kwelinye ilizwe. Overseas-ke guys, kulula ukusuka from, engikubekela i-example, mina I was staying in Holland. Ukusuka eHolland uye eParis, which is another country, you could literally take a bus for 6 hours and get there. That's how amazwe akhona asondelele ngakhona. Ukusuka eSwitzerland, ngiyakhumbula when we traveled and we were in Switzerland at the time, in Geneva, we were looking up the mountain. Kuthiwa eFrance you could literally cross the mountain, but because it's not allowed ukuthi uhambe kanjalo, fanele uhambe ngendlela eformal. So kulula ukusuka from one country to another, especially those Schengen countries, they are close to each other. So nakhona-ke le ko-Dubai-ke kuthiwa into kanjalo-ke, uma ngabe ufuna ukusuka from another country uya kwelinye ilizwe, uthi akekho-ke sho ukuthi laba babeyaphi-ke, kodwa base besuka eDubai beya on another elinye ilizwe lalikhona khona laphaya. So bangakwazi ukuhamba naye-ke, wasala-ke wabasebenzela for only 3 months. Uthi lapho kwaku-right, ephatheke kahle, everything was fine. Uthi inkinga yaqala uma sebehamba. Bathi uma behamba angakhathazeki, they will do a transfer for her ukuthi ayosebenzela abanye abakhona around. Into ejwayelekile ukuthi uma ngabe i-couple leyo ihamba ine-domestic worker, iyithathe idlulisele kwabanye. Uthi hhayi-ke bam-introduce-ke kulo muzi lo asezosebenza kuwona. Hhayi, it's a family nakhona, kule family kodwa kunobaba isikhathi esiningi iy'ngane ayihlali khona. Uma wakhona uthi waze wahamba engakaze ambone uma wakhona. Kodwa uma ngabe esho kwakuyifamily, wayekhona uma wakhona kodwa engakaze ambone nje at all. Iy'ngane uthi kwakuye kwenzeke zifike once a weekend ngoba uthi lapho wahlala only 1 month because of the situation afice as-face. So ithi inkinga yaqala lapho-ke. Uma bem-transfer-ya kulo muzi uthi wafika wahlala khona, uthi for 2 weeks beloke bemfida nje, bemthengela ukudla, bemtotosa nje, bengasho ukuthi kahle kahle umsebenzi wakhe uyini lo baba lo. Uyahamba lo baba ayosebenza whatever ayenzayo namabhizinisi nani nani, abuye ntambama and check on her, right, yeah, sharp, ngi-fine. Uthi kwaphela almost 2 weeks ehleli nje beloke bethi hhayi, sifuna ukuthi ujwayele, don't worry, we will show you umsebenzi ozowenza. Uthi makathi uthi uyaqala uyasebenza mhlampe uyaklina endlini athi lo baba, no, don't worry, that's not your job. I will tell you what your job will be very soon. I just want you to familiarize with everything first. Uthi hhayi ngelinye ilanga amsemakethe-ke kuthiwa akathenge whatever afuna ukuyithenga-ke into ey'dliwayo ukuthi udlani, kuthiwa musa e-African market la ekunokudla khona akujwayele, okay. Afike athenge-ke abuye ezindlini-ke. Kanjalo uthi iqhubeke lento kuze kuphele u-2 weeks. Uthi kuthe kwelesithathu iviki ambize amhlalise phansi amtshele ukuthi the reason ula umsebenzi wakho is to look after the dogs. I don't want you to be doing anything else but uzohlala nje ugade izinja kuphela. Athi hawu, gada izinja nje kuphela, abuze ukuthi ngizohola malini ngokugada izinja. Uthi hhayi bamtshele i-amount ukuthi uzohola malini. Uthi hawu, ajabule futhi abe shocked ukuthi how just for looking after the dogs nje sungaze uhola imali engaka. Kusho ukuthi washo imali enkulu-ke ngokuchaza kwakhe-ke. That is back in 2012, right? Uthi washo imali enkulu, athi hawu, ngaze nganenhlanhla, ngakhalela abantu abebengiphethe kahle kanti ngizothola abantu abazongiholela kahle ukundlula laba abahambile. Uthi kanti akazi ukuthi ima izinkinga zami ziqala. Uthi day 1 lo baba lo am-introduce ezinjeni, lezi zinja lezi zihlala erumini yazo, zinendlu yazo, a very nice clean house, ngazi ukuthi indlu yomuntu. Ine-bedding emhlophe, kuhle ku-clean and everything. Lezi zinja zinezitsha zazo eziwashwayo ezikhishwayo ekuseni meziphakelwa into ezidla ekuseni, nasemini kanjalo kanjalo uyaziphakela. Futhi nje zidla ukudla okufana nokwabantu, zidla iy'nyama, zidla ukudla oku-right nje, ngazi ukuthi zabantu. Indlu yezinja kufanele uyikline, ushintshe amashidi, ushayise umoya. Uthi yindlu yomuntu basically. Uthi hhayi, wathi hhayi, I can live with it. Ukline indlu la ekuhlala khona izinja, I know it's fine. And uthi kunane-pouch endlini yezinja, kunane-pouch ukubekele lezi iy'hlalo lezi, yabona lezi ezibekwe emavrandini for izinja uzifice zithe fofololo zihleli khona. Uthi it's 3 big bulls, not just dogs, 3 big bulls. Uthi kuhambe-ke meseqedile-ke iviki lokuqala-ke kuqala ukusebenza. Remember ufike for only 2 weeks. Elesithathu sekhonjiswa i-routine yezinja. Uthi-ke kwelesi-4 iviki, lokhu nje kunendlu yakhe-ke naye ahlala kuyona izinja, and indlu yakhe iwumakhelwane nendlu yezinja, okusho ukuthi next door nendlu yezinja. Okay, fine. Uthi la aqala khona ukuba confused, it's after she has been shown i-routine yezinja, sekuyiviki lani lesi-4. Uthi izinja hhayi manje zivele ziqale zibehave ngendlela e-strange izinja. Uma ngabe ephuma nje erumini lakhe zivele zigijima izinja zize kuyena, zimkhotha amaqakala, zimkhotha imilenze, ibe yodwa engazi ukuthi ifuna, yabo inja mangathi ifuna ukuluma izinqa kodwa ayikulumi, it's like sniffing ngasezinqeni kuwena. Uthi okay fine, ingidide lento. Uthi ngamtshela ukuthi hey basi nginenkinga la, izinja they are starting to behave in a very very funny way and it's scaring me because sometimes they behave as if they want to bite me but they don't do anything, kodwa nje the way they are behaving nje it's like they are ngazi ukuthi ziyakuhlasela kodwa futhi azimlumi, yabo. Uthi avele ahle kancane lo baba athi phela lezi zinja zabantu nazo they are human, zinemizwa njengawe nje nami. Zinemizwa just same like you and I. Angisho I told you ukuthi your job here ukuthi wena uzogada izinja. Uthi hhayi, ngingayinaki. Qhubeke futhi the following day. Uthi ngosuku mhlampe sekulolusuku lesi-3, lesi-4, lezi nje zilokhu zimane ziqhubeka zenza lo mkhuba. Uthi waphinde wamtshela futhi, uthi ngalelo langa wamhlalisa phansi wathi, lalela, I told you ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukuthi uzobheka izinja. Uzogada izinja, you are looking after the dogs, you'll do anything izinja eziyifunayo, anytime ziyifuna ngaso, and ngendlela eziyifuna ngaso. That's what you're getting paid for. That is why ngizokhokhela imali engaka. Uthi athi usho ukuthini? Athi, ngoba you are slow, ngithi ngikuchazele, wena ngikuqashele ukuthi uzolala nalezi zinja zami ezintathu ozibonayo la. That is why i-room lazo li-comfortable, li-clean-wa linjeya, so that nawe uma ngabe uyolala nazo uzoba comfortable, because it's a room that looks like i-room elihlala umuntu ophilayo. Uthi athi hhayi, ngiyaqala ukuzwa le izinja ezilala nabantu. Usho ukuthini uma ngabe uthi ngizolala nezinja? Usho ukuthi ngizogibela embhedeni ngizilalise? Athi no, ngithe kuwe zinemizwa lezi zinja, zidinga ucansi, and ucansi zizoluthola kuwena. Uzokhokhelelwa wena ukwenza lokho ukuthi ulale nazo. Oh, into engingayi-mention-anga ekuqaleni, makuqala kulowa 2 weeks ekade uhleli elokhu ehleli nje engenzi lutho, elokhu efidwa ngokudla kodwa kuthiwa akangenzi lutho. Kulowo 2 weeks lowo uthi bamthatha bamusa kadokotela wayowenza some tests. Uthi wenza ama-test, wenza o-H_I_V, wenza ntontontoni, yonke inhlobo yezifo nje ongazicabanga wenziwa ama-test. Yena wazitshela ukuthi it's just a routine, ngoba vele uma ngabe utravelisha abroad, that is why kufanele ube ne-medical insurance that will cover you. If uyosebenzela inkampani or umqashi, kufanele kube wuye ozokhokhela lowo medical insurance, kusuke kuyisivumelwano senu. Or uma ngabe uhambe ngenye indlela like mina engangiyofunda, ngahamba senginayo. So i-medical insurance is very important. Ingakho ama-medical facilities wabo clean and ene-medical care e-right. Ngani? Ngoba akekho ohlupha omunye ukuthi uma usowugula kufanele sikushonise. Uyayibona lo nto? So babemenzise lawo ama-test-ke. Yena wacabanga ukuthi it's just a routine ukuthi vele kumele akwenze, kodwa waxaka ukuthi ngoba ngesikhathi kade enza i-visa wayekwenzile nje and bebenama-records, why bephinde bemenzisa. Kanti babenzisela ukuthi babe sure ukuthi akafiki nazifo azozifakela izinja zabo. Okay, athi-ke kubona, ngicela ningiphe u-2 days ukuthi ngiyicabangisise kahle lento ukuthi ngizokhona yini ukuyenza. Uthi bathi hhayi, it's fine, take your time, kodwa-ke don't be too long, because these dogs have got imizwa nazo zifana nomuntu njengawe nje. Okay, uthi waphela u-2 days, wabuyela kubona, wabuthi sowucabangile, wathi ngicabangile kodwa manje ngikuma-periods, ngicela ningiphe nje noma u-2 weeks ukuthi-ke ngiphinde-ke ngiqede ama-period and then ngizikline kahle, and then ngijwayele i-situation, ngizijwayeze nalezi zinja, so that sizobona ukuthi-ke simuva kanjani forward ukuthi this is the job that I'm gonna be doing, and nje nayo yonke into ngijwayele nami ngibe comfortable. Uthi bathi hhayi, khululeka, kodwa like we said, be comfortable, take your time, but don't take too long. Our dogs won't be patient with you any longer. It's already been a while since they have been getting it. Okay. Uthi okay, fine. Uthi kulowo 2 weeks ayewucelile ukuthi akawunikwe. Wahamba ubasi lo, wathi uyahamba uya kunkosikazi, la khona unkosikazi uzohamba for 2 days. Uthi ngalithola ithuba lami loku-escape. Wathi ngithi ngisathi nje nwaye egeyithini, kanti ubeke ama-guards, akawazi yena ukuthi akhona ama-guards amgadile. Kanti ubeke ama-guards ukuthi amgade ukuthi angabaleki. Uthi ambamba ama-guards, amshaya, amvalela endlini, enuka engenamoya, wancisha ukudla, wancisha yonke into, waze waphela lowo 2 days engadli. Waze wabuya lo baba, luthi wafika wamvulela wathi, ya, ubuzama ukwenzani, ubuzama ukubaleka. Ngathi kuwena uzogada izinja la. You should have said this from the beginning ukuthi wena ngeke ukwazi ukugada izinja, and umsebenzi wakho ukugada izinja, and uzozigada-ke futhi, uzozinika yonke into eziyifunayo. Uthi but I can't sleep with the dogs. I'm trying to get into terms with how do I have sex with a dog. Uthi Okay-ke ngalesi sikhathi usacabanga-ke uzokuhlale lapho-ke. Kuthiwa-ke eDubai-ke guys, abaqashi bakhona bakhohlakele ngale ndlela yokuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa bayakupanisha, they can do anything kuwena. Uthi wathumela ama-guards amshiye enabile, amthela ngamanzi abandayo, amshiya kanjalo enqunu engagqokile. Uthi kuthe uthi wezwa elanda izinja ezozingenisa ukuthi zizolala naye ngoba phela angithi bamshayile wanqunu. Kusho ukuthi izinja zakhona zizijwayele into e-clean, zafika zamsnifa zaphuma zahamba. Uthi akazange noma kwakuyinhlanhla yakhe or kwakuyini kodwa nje zavele zafike zamsnifa qeda zaziphumela izinja zazihambela. Wathi next time you won't be lucky. Uthi hhayi wahamba-ke. Uthi hhayi-ke wahamba wabuya-ke ngithi esebuyile-ke after loya 2 days waphinde wahamba futhi. Uthe mesebuya okwesibili-ke wavula imbobo encane kule ndlu le emnyama enukayo ahlaliswe kuyona. Wabuza ukuthi usu-right lapho, so have you decided ukuthi uzowenza lo msebenzi? Omunye wathi, ya sengidicayidile ngizowenza. Uthi lapho I'm buying time, ngiyezwa kahle ukuthi ngisho kungathiwani, ngisho kungathiwa ukuhlupheka kungithathe kwangibeka kephi, ngeke ngize ngikwazi nje ukulala nenja. Ngilale nenja kanjani nje, ngixakeke impela ngiyafuna ukubakhipha ekhaya ekuhluphekeni kodwa angikwazi ukulala nenja. Uthi into eyenzeka after that akazi ukuthi yenzeka kanjani, kodwa aqaphela waphinde wazama, akwaziyo ukuthi waphinde wazama uku-escape-a futhi. Emveni kobe esemdedelile wavuma ukuthi uzolala nenja, wathi akahambe ayogeza anuke ama-perfume, amnikeze into zokugcoba, amnikeze ama-perfume, athi akageze abe fresh, izinja zakhe zilambile ziyamdinga. Uthi wathi makasuka lapho esenuka ama-perfume enjalo, uthi wabona ngathi ukuthi yabona la, if I don't escape after this, this is my last chance, I will never be able to escape. Uthi wazama uku-escape-a kuyisebusuku, wathi uzama ukuphuma, uthi ila abona khona ukuthi hayibo kufakwe ngisho namakhamera la, awukwazi ngisho ukunyakaza, awukwazi, everything that you are doing bayakubona ekamereni, CCTV eveza yonke into eyenzakalayo egcekeni. Nawa nama-guards amgadile akasakwazi kwenza lutho. Uthi la akwazi khona ukuphunyuka was when kufika imoto kadoti. Wavele wagoqa impahla zakhe wazifaka kuplastiki ngazokuthi izinto eziyolahla, wazifaka kuplastiki. Uthi that day wayeseyazi eseyimakile ukuthi ifika ngaziphi iy'khathi. Wathi udinga ukuyothenga izinto, wathi nje owaya kuyena wafika wakhuluma naye wamconvince ukuthi hhayi u-ready, is sure ukuthi he wants to do this and he's going to do it very well. So ucela ukuthi adablishe imali. Angithi uzama convince ukuthi uzoyenza ngempela, kodwa angeke ngiyenze ngale mali onginikeze ongitshele yona, ngicela ukuthi udablishe imali. Wathi-ke kulungile kodwa njengoba kuphela le nyanga ngeke uhole ngoba owokuqala ukwenza umsebenzi wakho. So wena bowuhleli la kumina mahhala, udla mahhala, ugeza mahhala, wenza yonke into mahhala. You only starting getting paid uma ngabe soqalile ukulala nezinja. Uthi ya, njengoba ngisho yonke lento kuyena ngithi akadablishe imali, ngifuna ukuthi abe convince, abe ne-sure ukuthi ngempela ngizolala nazo lezi zinja. Kuthi wayiqala imoto elanda udoti, uthi kuthe ngelinye ilanga isizofika, wavele wathatha iy'mpahla zakhe. Uthi ekuseni waqala wacela imali, wathi ucela imali yokuyothenga ama-supplies, hair food supplies, ngoba phela wayene-room lakhe ey'phekela. Badla into yabo ngale, naye uzidlela into yakhe ngapha aziphekela yona, ayinikezwe i-supply makufika. Khumbula ukuthi bamthatha bamhambisa bamse e-African market. Uthi wabuza lo ukuthi do you know ukuthi do you know ukuthi kuthengwa kephi? Athi yes, ngiyakhumbula ngayibona indlela ngesikhathi ungihambisile okokuqala. Uthi hhayi wathola imali, senemali-ke manje. Wathatha iy'mpahla zakhe wazilayisha kuplastiki omnyama. Yathi mayefika imoto kadoti kwangazukuthi uyobeka ngaphandle ngoba ezolukhunja imoto kadoti. Uthi wanyonyoba, wahamba ngazukuthi ikhamera la i-connect khona wayithola kanjani. Wayiqaqa ikhamera, wancenga igadi ukuthi uyacela nje ukuthi angeke aze akwazi ukulala nenja. Kwathini, walincenga igadi laze lavuma lamvulela. Wanyonyoba, wahamba wathatha uplastiki omnyama sengapha komgwaqo. Wathatha uplastiki omnyama wahamba wathola indlela yokuthi ahambe aye kwi-embassy yangakubo-ke manje. E-embassy wafike wachaza ukuthi uthola umsebenzi kanje, but is not happy with the situation. Lapho kwa-passport yakhe bebayifihlile angithi, so i-embassy yamzamela, yam-organise-ela, ukuthi athole ilokhunjana indlela yokugoduka-ke bazama ukumtholela enye i-passport, bathumela le ukuthi bamtholele enye i-passport-ke manje phela akasakwazi ukuhamba. Umphathi ufihla i-passport, ufuna ukumlalisa nezinja, akasafuni ukumdedela, bayamhlukumeza. Uthi hhayi-ke wabika kuma-authorities and uthi-ke ama-authorities into ayijwayele-ke, ama-cases awajwayele and it's something they cannot do anything about it because isimo esijwayelekile. Abanye ngenxa yokuhlupheka umuntu engazi uzokwenza njani, angabi nacebo, ugcine elalile nazo izinja or ugcine eyenzile into engasile abafuna ukuthi ayenze. Lezi zitori zama-slay queens afike alaliswe nezinja le akuyona into entsha, indala lento. So guys, ngiyaniwonisha, if kuwukuthi umuntu ukhuluma into ezwakalayo and uyayihalela lento ayishoyo ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa endaweni ewukuthi guys, wozani ningahlupheki nihlale e-South Africa. Do your own research to the core, ube convinced and sure ukuthi lento ayishoyo ikhona, akayi kokudayisa le. Abanye bafike baphendula izigqila zocansi le, umuntu ahamba angabuyi, nicabanga ukuthi umuntu uhleli kamnandi kanti akusabuyeki. Akana-passport, uyahlukunyezwa, ushintshaniswa nje, uyisigqila socansi nje, uyisigqila socansi nje, uyisigqila socansi nezinja. So be careful. Siyababona abantu ku-TikTok bayayiphosta lento, kuyahanjiwa, kulula ukuhamba. Be careful ukuthi uhamba kanjani, uhamba nobani, uhambe nomuntu ongamazi. Do your own research ngoba kubi la ngaphandle, kubi. Yena wasinda, wena mhlampe uyongasinda, uyongabuyi nokubuya. Abanye umuntu ahambe kuthiwa utholelwe umsebenzi kanti uyoshushumbiswa izidakamizwa, zikubhastele esiswini ufe. Ziningi iy'tori esizizwa, zikhona lezi zinto ezishiwoyo. So be careful. Iloko nje engifuna ukusho nami, qaphelani. Do your own research before uthatheke ngento echazwa umuntu ku-TikTok athi kuyahanjwa la. Kulula ukuhamba, uzokwenzela i-visa, ithikithi kwathini li-free. Hhayi umqashi uzokukhokhela ithikithi. Ayikho, half of those things azikho safe. Half of those things azikho safe. Ask from people who have been abroad, who understand how these things work. Get somebody osebenza laphaya wangakini or wala e-South Africa. I-embassy izokunika leyo information moyifuna. They are allowed to do such things because they have to ukuthi banikeze information e-safe, ephilile. Futhi uma ufika ubachazela ukuthi kungani uyifuna information, they will just help. So please be safe guys. Ngiyanithanda. Enjoy i-episode this week. Sihlezi nomi Nina. I hope you loved it. Love you guys. Love and peace.